In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and tapping on sound and vibration. Now you can tap on vibration at the top, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, scroll down. Now tap on vibration and haptics and click on all of those switches next to all of those features: notification, alarm, touch feedback and media, to turn on or off haptic feedback for all of them. To manage ring vibration though, you need to go back, switch your mode to ring, go back to the same settings and then click on this switcher next to ring vibration to switch them off or on. When you're ready, go back, click on shortcut to prevent ringing and tap on vibrate to set it up. Then go back again and last but not least, scroll all the way down to click on this switcher next to charging sounds and vibration to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!